Hello guys. Today videos I'm going to show you how to create, move, copy and delete files and directory in Red Hat Linux. So we are going to start on how do you create a file in Linux operating system. I'm going to use the terminal to do that. Mostly when we're working on Red Hat Linux, we work on the terminal, bash terminal. So for my bash terminal, I want to create, how do I create a file? If I want to create a file, what do I do? Which command am I going to use? So I'm going to use a command that is called touch. It allows me to create an empty file. There, I'll type a name for it. Receive dot. I give it a PDF extension. So with this command, touch, I can create a file in my working directory. So my working directory is /home/SamiSparkle. So if I want to see the file that I created, I'll just put ls. So ls now will show me this is a file that I just created right now. So I put it on the working directory. Let's say I want to create it another directory. If I want to create another directory, I'll just say touch. So I put the absolute path of where I want to copy it. So I want to copy it on opt/opt directory. Then I'll give it a name. Let me use that same name, PDF. So I'll say enter. So look at it now. This return an error message. Why did this return an error message? This working user is not an elevated user. When you are not an elevated user and you don't have permission to create file and folder in another directory, I do have permission to create file in /opt. So that is why an error message is returned to me. So what I can do is that I can have a temporary elevated user. With this command now, sudo, it will give me a temporary elevated user. So I will be able to create my file in that particular directory. So let me run that command again, touch. I'm putting in that directory. Receipt .pdf. So I enter my user password.